Hey y'all, what's up? Are you looking for a makeup subscription to make you that girl? Well, IPSY will help you be that girl, okay? Because I have been with them for the past few months and I love them. Whether you're starting off from scratch and you're trying to build your collection, or you're a makeup girly like me and you just want to add more to your collection, she's that girl. I was very hesitant when I first started off because I didn't want to be unhappy. Like, who wants to be unhappy with something that they're paying for? So, I originally started off with these cute little original packages. This is the beginning tier, but imagine over time and over a few months, you start getting a whole bunch of these little bags, and they're cute, they have their moment, but you want to upgrade to the big girl stuff, okay? Like the full size products. So that's why I upgraded to the extra, and this is my January box. So I actually been got this, but I've been waiting to show you guys. And I'm also going to show you guys the past few months of things that I received as well. But you know, it's cute. And they have like a cute little stuff. And I got these. Quick disclaimer, you get to take a quick personalized questionnaire test when you first start off with IPSY, just so that they know your color and they know a little bit more about you and how often you want to receive certain products. And with the original, it was cute, but like I said, with the extra, I get to pick two of my products myself and they will send me the extra other ones. I also have another box that I want to show you guys. So let's get into it. I have this Dallas and James overnight retinol oil that I actually picked this, and I can't wait to use this because like skincare is everything. This cute black eyeliner. Let's see how this works. I'm gonna do a quick eyeliner. What do you think? TYS Beauty RoseMilk Dew Stick. My face is pretty dewy already, but this is how it looks. It's cute. Well, it gives you that shimmer look. This is the TYS Dew Stick. This is another one that I picked out. It is the Clark's Deep Moisture Mask. I can't wait to try that one on because I love a good mask and I need some moisture added into my skin. I know it probably doesn't look like it because my skin is very like dewy right now, but I promise you guys, sometimes I have dry. I have combination skin, so sometimes it's oily, sometimes it's dry. I quickly tried this one off camera, but it's the Broy New York Sugar Plum Shimmer Lip Oil. She's gorgeous. Need I say more? It speaks for itself. And it has a really, really good feeling to it. It's minty and it's just very soothing and soft, and I like it. So all of these products will be listed below, and let me know how you guys feel about IPSY. Have you ever experienced it? Do you want to try it? And let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. Until next time, bye and God bless.